Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create this bottom and right shakes effect on CapCut. So first, just add your clip and then click on the first clip. Go to animation. Under the in category, find the swing bottom option. Okay, adjust it only for 0.2 seconds and just click on the check icon. Now go to the video effects, opening and closing, and select the vertical blur effect. Okay, this one. Click on the check icon and adjust the blur into 80. Make it short. Okay, make it as short as possible, and then copy the effect. Make it a little bit longer for the second one and adjust the blur into 45. Okay, so it will go like this. And now go to overlay, then add a wide image from the stock videos. Okay, fit the size, adjust it only for the first clip, so trim it like this. Go to blend, overlay, and put it at 50. Now go to animation, out, and add the fade out animations all the way like this. Okay, and after that, add keyframes at the start and the end of the clip. Now at the second clip, zoom the clip a bit and lower the opacity of the clip to 65. Now you are done, so this will be the result. And now move to the second clip, go to animation. Under the in category, add the swing right animation. Okay, this one, adjust it for 0.2 seconds and go to the video effect. Add the oblique blur effect and adjust it to 80, the blur. Click on a check icon, make it short, then copy it twice, and for the last effect, make it longer a bit and adjust the blur to 45. Click on the check icon and add keyframes at the start and end, zoom in a bit and lower the opacity to 65. Okay, so now just copy the white overlay and put it under the second clip and you are done. But if you have more than 2 clips, you can just repeat the steps on the first and second clip. So this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on thanks. Bye.